Hello everyone. This video is for PwBD candidates applying for admission to MBBS, BDS and BSc Nursing through NEET UG 2026 MCC Counselling. If you wish to apply under the PwBD category, you must have a valid Unique Disability ID card, that is UDID. However, having only a UDID card is not enough to claim the PwBD benefit. Your disability must also be assessed and certified by the Medical Assessment Board according to the NMC Guidelines 2026. For this process, you must appear in person before any one of the 62 designated medical assessment boards with your UDID card, the self-declaration form duly filled out as per the NMC Guidelines 2026, the required affidavit, and a valid ID proof. The Medical Assessment Board will examine your ability and decide whether you are eligible for admission to MBBS, BDS, or BSc Nursing under the PwBD category. Only if the board declares you eligible will you be able to claim PwBD benefits in MCC Counselling, and your candidature for PwBD seats will be considered valid. For detailed information, please watch our Part 1 and Part 2 videos. Thank you.